Hey, what's up everybody? Greg Randolph here. I'm the marketing guy at DECKED. This is the DECKED installation video for the new DECKED toolbox for your pickup truck. Super easy installation. Most of our installations are pretty easy. This one is by far the easiest. So easy even I can do it. To do the install, you're only need a few things. You're gonna need a pickup truck. You're gonna need a toolbox. You'll want a 3/8 inch socket, and you may want to have a socket extension or a deep well socket. You need a 3/16 and a 5/32 hex wrench. If you have any friends, one of them might be helpful as well. But that's all there is to it, so let's dive in. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is prepare your toolbox for installation. Place the toolbox on level ground, tilt it back, and then insert the triangular foam pieces from below the toolbox lip on both sides and push into place just like this. Next, align and press a rubber bed rail pad up into the recessed areas under the overhang on both sides of the toolbox. Then grab a buddy to help you lift the toolbox into the back of your truck and place it on top of the bed rails. Center the toolbox left or right between the bed rails, keeping the rubber pads in place. Open the lid to make sure there is adequate distance, at least 2 inches, between the toolbox lid and any cab-mounted cameras, lights, or other important bits. Shift the toolbox toward the tailgate or the cab as needed to ensure correct positioning. Now, remove the rubber snack tray covers to expose the mounting locations. There are 5 installation locations on each side of the toolbox. Install 2 bed rail clamps on either side of the toolbox. Make one clamp location as close to the tailgate as possible and one location as close to the cab as possible. Just note that outermost clamp locations may vary per vehicle depending on the topology, that is the bump ins and bump outs on the bed rails, so choose the locations that work best for your truck. Secure the clamps under the bed rail with bolts and washers from inside the toolbox. The clamps on the tailgate side are easy to place and secure. The cab side ones can be a bit harder to place because you need to reach under the toolbox while on the bed of the truck. Now, tighten all 4 bolts until secure, but with no more than 60 inch-pounds of pressure. Test the tightness by closing the toolbox lid and trying to shift the toolbox left or right and front to back. You're going to want to make sure you check the mounting brackets and bolts occasionally to ensure they're still secure. Once you're happy with how your toolbox is tightened down and positioned to the bed of your truck, it's time to install the D-ring tie-downs, or install additional tie-downs if you purchase them. There are 4 D-ring cargo tie-down positions available. 2 of these D-ring tie-downs are included, and like we said, if you need more, you can always purchase them from our website. To install the D-rings, use a 5/32 inch hex key to remove the existing bolt in the D-ring cargo tie-down install location. You don't need to hold on this bolt, it will not be used later. Now, use a 3/16 inch hex key to install the longer bolt, which is included with the D-ring cargo tie-down kit. Now that your D-ring tie-downs are installed and secure, the last step is to install the drain plugs into the bottom of the toolbox tub. So grab the 2 rubber drain plugs that look like this and poke them through the holes so they're nice and secure through the bottom back end corners in the tub of the toolbox. Congratulations, you did it. Your pickup truck should look something like that. Super simple. Thanks for following along, and thanks for being our customer. If you were just checking it out and seeing what's involved with this product, hopefully this helped push you over the edge. There's a full deep dive video that has all the details of this product if you have not purchased it yet, called the DECKED 101 on the toolbox. Has everything you want to know about the new DECKED toolbox in it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to hit us up in the chats, the telephones, the emails, the DMs, smoke signals, mental telepathy, whatever you got, we're here to help you out. We look forward to making you a customer. If you're already a customer, thanks again for spending your hard-earned money with us. If you have anything at all, we're here to help, and thanks once again for tuning in.